Hello students, my name is Manoj Kumar Das and we are going to learn what is long, what is round. Okay, so we are going to play a game. You have to guess the things which I have in my bag. I will give you hints. Okay, so let's play the game. Okay, I will bring out something from my bag. See, what is this? This is a stick. This stick is long. Okay. Next. Oh, what is this? This is orange, and this orange is round. Okay. So let me find another thing. Oh, this is torch, and this thing is long. Let me find another thing. Oh, what is this? This is ball. You play with the ball? Yes, we play cricket. Okay, so this ball is round. Oh, this is a spoon. You have a spoon in your house? Yes, and this spoon is long. Oh, this here is a vegetable. This is tomato, and this tomato is round. You get it, round? Okay. What we have, another thing. See, what is this? This is a remote. We have remote in our home and we switch our TVs on and off with this remote. We control our television with this remote, and this remote is long. Okay. Next, what we have? Okay. Do you know this thing? This is a wheel, and the wheel is attached to any vehicle, for example bike, car, etc. Okay, so this wheel is round. Next we have, guess what is this? This is a ruler. We used to draw line with the help of the ruler, and this ruler is long. Next, what do we have? See, this is a bangle. Our mother, sister, or any girl wears this bangle, and this bangle is round. And what is this? This is a marker. This marker is long. Next, what do we have? Let me find something. Oh, here, this is sketch pen. You have sketch pen? You like to draw paintings with the help of sketch pen? This sketch pen is long. Next, there is something. Please guess. This is sharp at one end, pointed at one end, and other end is flat. Can you guess what is this? This is also long like a pipe. A small pipe with one end pointed and other end is flat. Yes, you guess it. This is pencil. So, this pencil is long. So, here are some things which are round and which are long. This is long things and these are round things. Okay? We will do an activity. You see this? This is a postcard, and we will see how strong is this postcard? Okay, can this postcard hold a notebook on top of this? Okay, I am going to put this notebook on top of this. See, this will fall. It cannot hold the notebook on its top. Okay, so what will we do now? We will make this postcard stronger. So how will we make it? See, we will roll this postcard like this. See, I rolled this postcard like a pipe, and with the help of this sellotape or any Fevicol or any adhesive you have, paste it. I am using this sellotape and cutting this piece of sellotape with the use of scissor. Take help from your parents when you are using scissor. Okay. So I have cut this sellotape. I am going to paste this postcard like this. See, I have pasted this postcard like this. Now I am going to put this notebook on top of this and see whether this postcard is strong or not. See, this postcard can hold the notebook on top of it. Now this postcard is stronger. Okay. So next, student, we are going to learn what rolls and what slides. Have you played slide in any park or any ground? We as children, we used to play sliding. Okay. So sliding is moving from one place to another like this. Okay. So what rolls and what slides? We will check what things will roll and which things will slide. Okay. So earlier we have learned that some things are round and some things are long, and these long things have flat surface. Okay. See, this is a ball and this is round. So round things will roll. Okay. Let's check it out. See, the ball rolls. See, this is round, so round things roll. Okay. This is a duster and this has flat surface. Will this roll? No. This will slide. See this. This will not roll. This will slide like this, like this. Okay. Next, we have a tomato, and tomato is, of course, yes, it is round, so it will roll. See, it will roll. Okay. Next, we have a matchbox. A matchbox, will it roll or slide? Is it round? No, it is flat. Its surface is flat, so it will slide. See, it will slide. Okay. Next, we have our TV remote. See, this has flat surface, so it will slide. Next, we have this orange. Orange is round. Okay, this will roll. See, this will roll. Next, we have a sharpener. See, this is a sharpener. Will this roll or slide? This is not round, so this will slide. See, the sharpener slides. Okay. Next, we have this marker. Will this slide or roll? Let's check it out. if we put this marker like this will slide. But children, the marker is also round. If we put this marker like this will roll. See? Roll. If we put this marker like this, it will slide, and if we put like this marker will roll. Okay? So here is our pencil. Pencil, will it slide or roll? Let us check it. If we put this pencil like this, see, then the pencil will slide. See, if we put this pencil like this, then the pencil will roll. The pencil will roll. So the pencil slides and rolls both. Okay? And we have this coin. You have coin in your house? Yes. So this coin is round as well as it is flat on the surface. So this will also slide as well as roll. So if we put this coin like this, the coin will slide. See, this coin slides. Next, if we put the coin like this, it will roll. See, this coin also rolls. Okay, student. So things to remember: the round things will always roll. The round things will always roll, and the object which are flat will slide. Okay, students. So students, now I am giving you a little homework. Find out 5 things which can roll and find out 5 things which can slide, and write 5 things which can both slide as well as roll. Okay, students? Okay, dear students, let's do our next activity, my tiny tree. Our next activity is my tiny tree. So here we take one sheet of paper, then we will roll like this. Nicely roll the paper. Okay, so the sheet of paper will be rolled like this. Then use a scissor, and again I am asking you that when you are using scissor, take the help of your parents or any elder. So with the help of this scissor, we will cut it to some extent. We will cut 2-3 parts like this. See, student, we are cutting it nicely. So I have done cutting this piece of paper, then arrange it. Now you have to bend the part you have cut like this. Okay, bend it outwards. Okay, like this. Bend your paper like this. If you like, slightly twist a little, then pull it up like this. See, here your tiny tree is ready. So you can color this leaves and branch if you like. Color your tree. Okay, students. So this is our tiny tree. Okay, students. Now our next topic is the tallest tower. Okay, so here are some objects on my table. See, these are round things and these are the things which have flat surface. Okay, so I am going to use the things which have flat surface, and I am going to make a tower using this. See, this is a box which have a flat surface. Okay, so I am putting a box on one another. See, we have various kinds of boxes in our home. We can make tower using those boxes. See, so my tower is ready. Here, see, we can make using these boxes. Okay, we can make tower using these boxes. Okay, we put aside this tower. So students, here are some round objects. Can we make a tower using these round objects? Let's check. See, this is the orange and this is the ball. If we put round object on one another, the objects will fall. See, now I am changing this. See, it will not stay, it will fall. See, so there is another round object. See, this one falls. See, so we cannot make a tower using round objects. Okay, so we have to use the objects which have flat surface like this. This is a matchbox. You have matchbox in your house. So let's make a tower using the matchbox. Okay, see, like this I am putting this matchbox on one another. See, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I have 6 matchboxes. So our matchbox tower is ready. Okay students, so now I am trying to make a tower with the matchbox in another way. Let's see. See this? Like this, I am putting the matchbox on top of each other. Let us check. Can I make the tower like this? See student, this is my matchbox tower. So you can play with many things and make tower using the things which are at your home. So try experimenting with various kinds of objects and try to make tower. Okay students, so I do these experiments in your home and check whether you can make tower using the objects in your home. Okay students, now we are going to do another activity, that is coin play. See, this is the coin in my hand. I am going to play with this coin. Put this coin like this and flick it. See, one more time. See, the coin is looking like a ball or not? Yes? When we flick this coin like this, the coin moves round and round and the coin looks like the ball. Okay students, try to play this game in your home. Okay, so with this I am going to finish our class today. So thank you very much. Stay safe at your home and wear mask, maintain social distancing. Okay students, thank you.